Good morning, beautiful souls, beautiful brave hearts, coming to you from the incredible ocean. I'm here at Nambucca Heads, where yesterday we completed the whole life coach, and it was incredible. There were 30 beautiful human beings who really activated into their greatness, and these incredible men and women chose themselves first, really discovered their authentic self, and learned, many of them for the first time, to really deeply love themselves, learn to honor, love and respect themselves. And life is this incredible adventure, a fun-filled, dangerous adventure. And you know, we live in a time where really the universe is asking us to step up, learning to fly, to first love ourselves. And only when we learn to first love ourselves and cultivate an incredible relationship with ourselves, we can then be of service to the ones around us. So this, and Australia is so fortunate. We have now 30 brave hearts. The youngest was 11. It was my 11-year-old daughter, Grace. And the eldest was in her 70s. So, you know, it's never too late. It's never too soon to really learn to choose yourself and find your authentic spirit, and learn to honor, love and respect yourself from the moment you rise to when you gently close your eyes. And I can see the beautiful Andrea on here. She showed us yesterday how to clean a beautiful puppy's teeth. It's just, you know, we all have this incredible potential, and when we learn to really connect with our purpose, our power and our passion, we become limitless. So let's stop being so scared. Let's stop contracting into ourselves. Life is abundant, life is beautiful, and everything that we want and everything that we desire is at our fingertips. And I am so fortunate to have chosen to choose courage over fear every day. And I tell you, if I can do it, you all can do it. And the incredible story that I'm rewriting my life, this incredible opportunity, together with my beautiful husband Kevin, who also took the whole life coach, we are creating an incredible healing retreat here at the beach. Just behind me we have a beautiful house, and it's a beautiful clean sanctuary, a healing sanctuary. We've taken the chlorine and the fluoride out of the water. When you come and retreat and you heal with us, you will have the power pack of healing available to you, the most incredible energy medicine healing, where there is no no dis-ease, no symptom too big for you to actually activate and to heal and to reclaim. So we will have a cell sonic, which is the most incredible healing technology, 25,000 volts of love frequency entering the body, breaking down calcification, scar tissue, adhesions, unblocking the things that have calcified and that have restricted and caused degeneration. So we will free that for you, and teach you to become your own healer. We will have a cardio med bed, which is the most incredible activation of the blood circulation, the lymphatic circulation. Within 38 hours of the cardio med bed, everything in your body will regenerate. You will have a new set of veins, and it's also the most sophisticated and incredible way to exercise the body. You no longer need to really exhaust yourself by doing physical exercise. This is beautiful, smart, conscious exercise. And while you are lying on the cardio bed, your hand will be in the avicen, increasing blood circulation more than 60%. The avicen is more effective than an infrared sauna. So, this incredible energy medicine. We also have a biotron, and this incredible light, when you shine that light on any part of the body, it activates incredible healing frequency. For example, if we shine that on your feet, it will activate and engage all your chakras to open and to radiate and to vibrate, uplifting the energetic frequency of the body. So life is beautiful, and let's stop. Let's stop being in restriction. Let's stop playing small. Let's reactivate our incredible potential and teach ourselves that we are our own healer, we are our own doctor, we are our own manifester. And whether we are choosing to suffer or whether we are choosing to rise, it is absolutely our choice. So my beautiful, beautiful brothers and sisters, come and join us on this incredible adventure. Choose yourself. And the amazing thing is that we are actually going to be hosting Dr. Darryl Wolf and his incredible team of master trainers again at Nambucca Heads next year. We will be doing 2 whole life coach courses. The first one will start on the 31st of July and the second one on the 14th of August, followed by the Wolf Non-Surgical, the most powerful body work in the world, and then followed by the pain-free pelvis. And I know these courses are going to be booked out very, very, very fast and very, very soon. So if you would like to be part of the BraveHeart Nation, please take massive personal action. You can reach myself. My number is 041 399 3493, or send me an email at Tora, THORA, at tklifestylesolutions.com. So my beautiful husband Kevin and I will be the hosts again next year to facilitate this incredible life-changing training. But the good news is that there are now 30 men and women who are doing this incredible work. So you can book Perfect Day Consultations. You can experience the Wolf Non-Surgical deep tissue body work, the most effective, incredible, the most powerful body work in the world. And we kick off tomorrow, the 22nd of August, and I believe we have 1 or 2 places left. So if you would like to join us, if you are in the area or if you can take a quick flight, once again, reach out to me, 041 399 3493. And if you would love to book a personal treatment and training, or come for some of the most powerful treatments in the world to regenerate your body, activate your healing and your vibration, please take massive personal action. The spots are filling really, really fast, and we look forward to serving you soon to activate the healer and the powerful brave heart that you are. Wishing you a magical day wherever you are in the world. Remember, the life is so precious. This life is not a dress rehearsal. We are not here to suffer. My beautiful brothers and sisters, we are here to fly. So come fly with us.